1.2 billion people and growing. That's India for you. A country with more young people than anywhere in the world, which adds up to a huge potential. However, despite significant progress on achieving the Millennium Development Goals, the country is faced with key challenges, including providing basic amenities to its people, ensuring a clean India, improving the country's attractiveness as a manufacturing hub, ensuring every citizen has access to financial services, meeting the skills requirements and aspirations of millions of young citizens.
The new government came into existence with the avowed objective of providing maximum governance, minimum government. DOPT, or the Department of Personnel and Training, as you know, is a department which trains the trainers. Therefore, it is the onus and the responsibility of this department to prepare and to develop professionals who are capable of carrying across this message and this training module to the other stakeholders and other participants in governance in the times to come.
And this process requires civil servants to be equipped with the right knowledge, skills and attitude. India's National Training Policy 2012 calls for a competency-based approach to human resource management. Training by addressing the gap between existing and required competencies is key to realizing this vision of building a professional, impartial and efficient civil service. Training strengthens the four pillars of good governance: ethos, ethics, equity and efficiency. To achieve this, the Department of Personnel and Training is entrusted with the task of creating an enabling environment for the development and management of human resources for efficient, effective, accountable, responsive and transparent governance. But how do we measure the success of a training? By gauging actual improvement in the performance of civil servants through increased responsiveness to citizen needs, emphasizing ethics, commitment and empathy for the most vulnerable. Who does the training target? All civil servants at all levels of governance at the central and state level. At the time of entry into service. From time to time in the course of their careers. At all levels from lowest to highest. Cutting-edge government functionaries for priority training. Training is imparted at centers of excellence such as the Central Training Institutes and Administrative Training Institutes. Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration is the premier training institution for higher civil services in India. Institute of Secretariat Training and Management is imparting training to all officers or employees of Central Secretariat Services. There are several cadre training plans to support the initiative. Induction training program upon entry into civil service. Combined foundation course for entrance to All India Service and Group A services of the Union to build camaraderie. Mid-career training programs for IAS officers to handle higher level responsibilities. Sponsorships to international training programs aims to upgrade knowledge and skills of government officers. Support to pursue postgraduate programs on public policy, public administration and management from leading institutions. Flagship training program to ensure better coordination between civil and military administration. Now there are provisions of training for all to enable efficiency at all levels. State category training programs develop management skills and knowledge in different areas for middle and senior level officers. Intensive training programs for frontline personnel, particularly those engaged in public service delivery. Trainer development programs focus on imparting effective training to government officials. Ethics and leadership are integral parts of the training programs. The Learning Resource Center, set up in 2014, aims to identify and adapt leading national and international best practices in training techniques and technologies to the Indian context and builds a cadre of high-quality trainers. Induction training is mandatory now for all categories of employees in central government. Induction training programs for newly recruited B non-gazetted and C category of employees in the states of Jammu and Kashmir, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu. With the view to develop citizen centricity, NGO visit has been made an integral part in all induction and mid-career trainings. Department of Personnel and Training (DOPT) has started on-the-job in-house 1-hour weekly training for its employees. In-service training programs are being initiated for CSS and CSSS officials at reputed national and international institutions to enhance their competencies.
Training is important for service delivery because at the cutting edge it is the Group C employees. We do have system for training for Group A and Group B employees, but there is no system for Group C employees. And that is what we are aiming, that there will be induction training for all Group C employees, both at the federal level and at the state level.
Improved training infrastructure across the country. Improved training coverage and timely training intervention. Improve quality by lifting standards of content, pedagogy and trainers. Improve quality by monitoring impact assessment and evaluation. These will help us in achieving maximum governance with minimum government.